Hi, I'm Franz James Figueredo. I'm gonna discuss about implementing stock using linked list. So we have a class named stock link as linked list. So we have stock node root. We're gonna represent our top element, and we have an inner class, static class, stock node. In data, we're gonna hold the value of. We're gonna push stock node next. Gonna be so that we can link our next node. Then public bool is empty. That method is gonna check if our stock is empty. If true, gonna return true, else gonna return false. Then in our main method, we created an object, and we push 10. When we go to the push method, then we create a new node, then check if our stock is empty. Since it says true, gonna go to F. The F statement gonna be uh, gonna be fulfilled. So root equals to null. So since our stock is still empty, we'll go to the F. Then root equals to new node means that our top element is gonna be the new node. Then gonna print our what we push. So push the stock 10. It's here in the bottom. Then gonna push 20. Push 20. Gonna create a new node. Then check if our stock is empty. Since it's not empty, gonna go to else. So stock node temp equals to root. Gonna the top element, or our top element, gonna put in the temp. Then root equals to new node, so that our new node is gonna be our top element. Then new node thickness equals to temp, so that we're gonna link it to the temp or what we pushed earlier. Then we're gonna print our what we pushed. So we pushed 20, so 20 push the stock. Then we go to push 30. Same as earlier, create a new node, then check if our stock is empty. Since it's not empty, we're gonna go to else. Stock node temp equals to root. I'm gonna put our top element value to the temp. Then root equals to new node, so that the new node is gonna be our top element. Then new node that next equals to temp, so that the top element gonna link it. Then gonna print it. So push to stock. So 30. Push to stock 30. Then the next, we're gonna pop our top element. So self pop, we pop from the stock. So we're gonna go to pop method. In pop method, integer value, so that we're gonna hold the value of integer value, my negative and positive. And in pops, we're gonna the storage of the gonna remove. So check if our stock is empty. Since not empty, we're gonna disregard and left the if statement. Gonna go to else. So pop equals to root data. Pop gonna hold the top element value. Then root equals to root that next, so that our top element is gonna be the index 1. Then we're gonna return the pop value. Here you can see that the 30 pop from the stock. You see in the output. Then we're gonna pick top element is 1. So gonna go to the pick method. In the pick method, we're gonna check again if our stock is empty. If empty, gonna print is empty and return the integer value. Else, we're gonna return the root. We're gonna return our top element value. So our top element is 20. Then 11% of the stock is 20 and 10. That's it's not in the code, but when we print it, we have the 20 and 10. Our top element is 20. That's all.